Welcome back. In this video, I want to explain more about CoreSage. I did the first video explaining about how to join CoreSage, how to register, how to pay, and understanding the basics. So now in this video, I want to show you two things. One, you get to understand the X3, X6, how you receive money, how you get paid, how it goes to your wallet. And you also need to know a bit about the levels, the upgrades, and why you upgrade, and what will happen if you do not upgrade. Sometimes you can miss some commissions and why. So I'll be talking about that. And then another thing, I'll be showing you now the bigger picture of this particular business. So let me just open my account. So this is my account. Of course, by now everyone knows how to open your account. And if you have not done that, go watch the previous videos. Get started first of all, and then be able to understand about what we are about to discuss here. So first of all, this is your account. So we have something called X3, okay? We have something called X3 matrix, and we also have X6 matrix. X6 matrix is somewhere down here, X6 matrix, and you can see there is some placement of people here. When someone joins, you will see the slot is filled. I don't want to dwell much about that. So first of all, X3 and X6 is simply the arrangement of people who join your team. So X3 arrange 3 people as a complete cycle. So a complete cycle consists of 3 people. And for X6, a complete cycle consists of 6 people. Okay? All right. So now, for you to understand this, let me just explain a few things here. Let me just open the notebook here. Let me explain some few things here. Once you join, we have these levels. We call level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, like that. So let me explain something here. So this is X3. Okay. Let me just get something here. Okay, so let me get a pen and a paper here. So we have X3, okay? When you register, you pay 60 core, okay? Now this 60 core is divided into 2, 30 core, 30 core. So when you join, you unlock 2 levels, okay? Because we have X3 and we have X6, okay? So when you join, you will realize you are level 1 on X3 and your level 2 on X6 are unlocked, okay? How are you able to see that? Because when you join, if you scroll down here and you see X3 matrix, you can see this arrangement of 3 slots. That means your level 1 is open. When the level is closed, you will not see the slots arrangement. You will see something like this. You will see, like in my level, currently I'm in level 3, as you can see here. Level 4, you can see it is still locked. It is telling me to pay 240 core to unlock it, but I haven't gotten there yet. So you are level 1 and level 2 of X3 and X6. No, not level 1 and level 2. I beg your pardon. Let me just show you something here. So we have X3 matrix and X6. When you log in, you will see this. So level 1 of X3 and the level 1 of X6, they are unlocked by your 60 core. How much core do you pay to join? 60 core. So that means you paid 30 core to unlock X3, and you also paid 30 core to unlock X6. Okay? So what that means is, now you are able to earn from direct referrals, but there is a rule, okay? You are able to earn from direct referrals. So that means when you bring in your first person, you will earn. The second person, you will earn. The third person, you will earn. But then again, something you need to be very careful about. Very careful about, because yesterday I missed some commission because I did not know. So once you cycle once, like once you bring like 3 or 4 people, either you have brought them or they have been brought by the person you have brought, you will see your level indicating are blocked, okay? Like I was seeing my level 2 yesterday showing blocked, and I was not understanding what that means, okay? So when you will see a level indicating blocked, it means when you bring in more people, you will not earn from that level until you upgrade. Let me give you an example. When I joined, I shared the link. Some people, of course, joined. When 5 people joined, the system blocked. So my level 2 indicated, my level 1 indicated blocked. So that means any other person I will bring in personally, I will not earn. Those earnings will skip me and they will go to my upline. So for me to continue earning from level 1, I will need to upgrade to level 2. When I upgrade to level 2, you will need to pay 60 core to unlock level 2. And once you unlock level 2, now that means all the earnings of the people I will bring in directly, the people I bring in directly, up to infinity, now I am not limited. Any person I will bring in who will come in and pay 60 core, I will earn. Even if I'm going to bring 500 people, 1,000 people, I'm going to earn from the people I will bring in forever, provided they have paid 60 core, okay? So now that also means these level 1 people might also get to a point where their people might also be blocked, because once they bring 3-4 people, the system will ask them to upgrade, okay? Because once you bring in, for every level, once you have people who are at the same level as you get 4 people, the system will ask you to jump to the next step, okay? You need to upgrade, because if you don't upgrade, you will miss out commissions for the other people you will bring in. So when you upgrade now to level 2, it means you will earn from all level 1 people that you will bring in. Now, once these level 1 people you brought also starts upgrading to the level where you are, which is level 2, once 4 or 5 people who are in your level 1 upgrades to level 2 will also block. So it will ask you to now upgrade from level 2 to level 3. When you do that, you will now earn from your level 1 up to infinity. And once all these level 1 will now upgrade to level 2, you will also earn from all those people up to infinity without limits. So once you get to level 3, like I am right now, so some of my members who are in level 2, okay, they have upgraded to level 2. Once 4 of my members upgrades to level 3, it means I should now upgrade to level 4, because if I do not, I will stop earning from any other person who is in level 2 who may want to upgrade to level 3. So I'm going to miss out some commissions. So that is why upgrading is important. Now, we have upgrading X3 and X6. We have X6 also down here. Let me explain now how earnings come in, okay? How do earnings come in? Let me just show you here. So now, how earnings come in goes like this, okay? This is your X3, okay? This is your X3, and this is your X6. I want to show you how these earnings come in. So when you join, and I'm assuming you have upgraded to level 2, okay? And by the way, even before I explain about this, if you are in level 1, that means you have already paid 60 core. And you want to bring people, you have to be very careful, because I want everyone to make money here. So once you bring in 4 people or 5 people, please think about upgrading. I don't want anyone to miss any commission, okay? So once you bring in 5 people, you have already earned some money. Use that money to unlock your level 2, okay? Upgrade, so that you do not miss out any commission, and keep checking your dashboard to see whether your level is blocked or not. So now, once you have upgraded to level 2, you are safe, because once you are in level 2, it means all the people you will bring in who are new, who will pay 60 core, everyone will pay you, even up to 500 people, 1,000 people, 10,000 people you will earn. But now, some earnings, when you bring in people, some earnings goes to X3 and some earnings goes to X6, okay? So I want you to pay attention. So when you join, you get the first person to join, okay? When you bring in the first person, this first person, you earn 20 core. Of course, I'll be showing you how these earnings stream in. So you earn 20 core. That is for the first person you bring in. When you bring in the second person, you also earn 20 core, okay? The third person you bring in also gives you 20 core. When you bring in the fourth person will pay you 20 core on X3 and will also pay you 20 core on X6, okay? So now what this means is, for example, if your X3 matrix was open, like it's able to receive earnings, but if you check your X6 matrix, you realize level 1 is closed. That means the earnings which are supposed to go to that matrix, they will not go to that matrix. You will miss, okay? They will go to the upline. So the 50 person you bring in, X3 will receive 20 core and another 20 core will go to X6. Remember yesterday I had told you, and by the way, if you have not watched those videos, just go and watch to catch up. The first person you bring in, you earn 20 core. The second person, you earn 20 core. The third person, you earn 20 core. The fourth person, you normally earn 40 core. So that means 20 core goes to X3 and another 20K goes to X6, but all of them, they go to your wallet. The 50 person, you earn 20 core on X3 and 20 core on X6. So the sixth person you bring in, X6 does not receive, but X3 receives 20 core. So that means for the 6 people you have brought in, you have earned 160 core, okay? So that is what you have earned for those 6 people. So what you also need to take note of is these people, it doesn't have to be, it is you who brought them, all right? So even when your downline brings in someone, because there is some earning that come to you, if you have not brought someone, that downline who brought in someone, that person is also counted to you because the earnings are coming to you. So sometimes you might be expecting to receive 20, you find you have received 40. Or there are sometimes you might be expecting to receive 40, you realize you have received 20. Because if I show you my wallet here, my core account here, you're going to notice that some earnings are coming in, like you can see there is 20 there, 40 there. They are coming randomly, 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, 20, 20, 20, 40. So they are coming randomly from anywhere, okay? So that is what you need to do. So what you need to pay attention of is whenever you are in level 2, for example, you have to pay attention and make sure your account is not blocked, because once it cycles once, like for example, if you are in level 1, if it cycles once here, it shows you here 1. If it shows here 1, think about upgrading, okay? So like in my case here, my level 2, I've just upgraded a few minutes ago. It has already cycled once, as you can see here, okay? It has already cycled once here. That means my level 2, my level 1 people, the people I brought, 3 of them, because X3, this one cycle means 3 people have already upgraded, okay? 3 or 4 people have upgraded to level 2. That is the people I brought in who were in level 1, they have upgraded to level 2. So if I have 4 people in my team who have gotten to the level I am, I need to move to the next level so that I will not miss out on the extra people who are in my level 1 who will be wanting to upgrade to level 2, okay? So that is the essence of upgrading. And the same thing applies for all the levels. So once you have, because this is the bottom line, once you have 4 people who have joined to the same level where you are, and these are the people you have brought in, you will need to upgrade to the next level so that you continue to earn from those people who wanted to be the level where you have just upgraded from. Okay, so I hope that is well explained. So I wanted to let everyone understand about upgrading. I think the next video I'll now be doing arithmetics, showing you practically how much money you can make from this project if you are to take it seriously. And I'll ask everyone to take this particular project very seriously, because I'll be showing you how it is going to be very easy collecting over $30,000 from this particular project in the next video.